Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Sergio Aguero will be Man City legend. Don't come outside when they analyze the new season. So Baba can explain what they see Arsenal do. So you can talk say Arsenal is going to be the surprise package of the season. So with a game changer like Gabriel Jesus, like a Zinchenko they don't buy, like Fabio Vieira, Marquinhos, all the players they don't buy, and especially William Saliba coming back from his long stint in Marseille. Say them be the dark horses, them be the outsiders for even the title. So consider them as an outsider for the title, irrespective of say maybe get affiliations to Man City, even though Man City and Liverpool are always going to be there dragging for the title. But say for that top four up there, they are going to be the surprise package. So when they count out all those kind of Tottenham Hotspur, all those kind of Chelsea. So watch out for Arsenal. They have a lot to prove this season because they have really strengthened well. So away from that, so Fabrizio Romano can come outside and let us know say Lucas Torreira don't finally accept to join Galatasaray on a permanent deal. So in the coming days, he go fly to Istanbul, go do a medical, and this one they come off the backdrop say Baba no one go, say they look for other people will go fit sign them, but as he never see people go fit sign them, so you don't the reason say okay, this is like the best time make I just move that the season go soon start anytime to make it not be say I'll come there, they no go register me, not those kinds of stuff. So just they happy at least we go recoup some funds from his head. They're going to look for the next people like all those kind of Pablo Mari and the rest. Whether the Rich Nelson himself would like to find square roots, we never really know. More just the watch because like at that time Edu Gaspar talk, the next plan after we sign our last player, like just to sell some kind of player after Zinchenko enter and just to sell some people, sell them, create space. After we create space, they will look for anybody who will go buy next. And even Ben Jacobs don't come outside and let us know say Yuri Tillemans, the guy see the reason how he will take go Arsenal because the hierarchy for Leicester, they see they anticipate, they are waiting for an offer from Arsenal, especially now we say we don't create space for the middle of the park with defensive midfield. Don't find square root. So we are expecting them to recruit Yuri Tillemans to go and put their money where their mouth is. That's what we are expecting. And don't forget that Manchester United say they hover around that Yuri Tillemans. They look for how they put the collector from Arsenal hand. So I never really know. We'll just watch. Yuri Tillemans self they talk about the guy, you know, they be the complaint saying get physicality, saying body they one kind. The guy don't shred all in body fat. If you see this guy now, the guy don't slim, don't they physically fit. As in when I see myself I shock, I say this guy don't change you. I wish I feel call and make you tell me the routine when you do, make I go if not to jog from here reach Kano State, make I go jog. So I mean if I go slim like that. I just like the way the guy's body shape they be now. It makes sense. Even Kerry and Tierney himself don't come outside and let everybody know. So there's a feeling in the camp, like a different hunger, a different desire. So even the 6-0 when they flog Sevilla, that one are just like a tip of the iceberg, just to let people know. Say, look where you come flow. 20 minutes when they knock them 4-0. So we serious like mad, like we know what is at stake. Unlike last season when we were not really active, like so we finished like 8th before the last season. They went out of Europe, so people don't really give us a chance. We don't even give ourselves a chance. But when the season can start, we can do back. Because say, top 4 official, but last no can collect top 4. But this time around now, we are starting with an ambition, with an objective that top 4 or nothing. Get either 3rd, either 4th. That is where we want to end up. Because Champions League is the goal this season. Like we know what we want to do this season. So this season is going to be a break it or make it season. This season a banger it will be. John knows don't come as I can't give a prediction for Crystal Palace versus Arsenal. So Baba can say for this Selhurst Park. See Selhurst Park, Crystal Palace no dey play. The last season it was very difficult for clubs to pick up points here. See Crystal Palace lost just 4 times last season for this place. For you to know say here no be easy ground, and they still get all the usual suspects, all those Edison Odward, all those Zaha, all those Guehi, Gallagher. I don't know that Chelsea don't give them Gallagher again. So they have some of the players to do all this in Olis still did there. So in the see Crystal Palace beating Arsenal. Well, now your own opinion, I don't go full and fight. Now your own opinion, they see them beating Arsenal. Well, last season and this season no be the same. I get them before, no be property. The rhythm is different, and I like us to meet them for the first match of the season. Make we self test our strengths and know how good we are with our firepower we don't buy, combined with what we don't get already. We lick them like a pot of soup. Ocon is scam Tomiyasu for training ahead of Arsenal match versus Palace because they call the ask Mikel Arteta for media settings say how far the injury update say Tomiyasu go play. So Baba Conte say Tomiyasu don't join the squad, saying the train with the squad. Say you can start him because he's available for selection. That's what he said. But personally, me, I no go like me to select this guy because this guy no really dey 100% fit. May no go aggravate in cruciate ligaments or aggravate anything. Put the Ben White there. Make Ben White face Zaha. Anyhow they won't be. We then gang up on Zaha. Because if you go put a Tomiyasu, what is that give and back, the guy can't slide for ground, can't tear one in muzzle or something happen. That's what me I'm saying. Or if what's come to worse, we put a Suarez, but I would have preferred a Ben White, Saliba, Gabriel Magalhaes, then Zinchenko backline. That's what I would have preferred. Then also for Emil Smith-Rowe, Baba Conte say Emil Smith-Rowe is also available for selection. That we can select him and play him. That's what's up. So the guy said they 100% fit, but he never they play with us since. So main still for Benjamin, main they recuperate. Get also another person that they really say okay whether he go play or Abi no go play. Now Fabio Vieira. So they call they ask Arteta about Fabio Vieira. Say how far this guy can go play, but Baba say the guy still get more time outside, but they just free him. So he never they play anything for now. Jamie O'Hara said don't come outside, don't be Tottenham pundit. Don't come outside because they talk say make Arsenal keep Lucas Torreira saying they better than Granit Xhaka. I don't know why this guy is close for our own business. But I face your Spurs now. What's the up now? Leave our players. Especially we say we don't need that. It's surplus of requirements for us. You don't go compare the importance for us. So the importance of Granit Xhaka is far greater than the importance of Lucas Torreira. Torreira it makes sense for Fiorentina when we play of the season, but to us, you know, they for the coaching plan you get, and it is good now the coaching because anything coaching do now coaching they fire. They need to fire me, maybe pundits. I'll just come and they analyze you get. So they go fire all of us will be community members, and the coaching they go fire so we go free him. May use anybody when you feel say if you to work with. That's what me they see him. So Torreira, find your way to Galatasaray, give us money, go buy a better player. You're going to compare your little Lemans if we bring up. Say now go replace Torreira. Come on, the miles in the difference is too much. Then Alan Smith said, if one of our super monitoring spirits don't come outside and let us know, say Arsenal need to sell Nicolas Pepe. They don't need to include them for this season players again because this guy don't overstay in welcome. But the major problem where they affect them is say the price where Arsenal buy them. They remember the price, go vex Arsenal because Arsenal don't sell them close to that price. How can you buy somebody £72 million? I can't even sell him for 40 million. That's 25. You tell people they can't buy him. Yes, they can't afford it. Not that they can't afford it, like it doesn't worth it. It's not that valuable in the market, which is very bad. That's why Arsenal know they're very happy. So what they really say, maybe they just sell them anytime soon so that they'll carry money or buy more players. Then another news open the year for EPL be say all EPL players and staff are going to receive mandatory sexual consent training. And this one will be very important for the upcoming season. This season where they start today. So they will do this because when you check many cases like all those Thomas Partey, even though that one Thomas Partey win the case for court, all those kind of Benjamin Mendy, even that Manchester United boy Greenwood, that one said plus many others one I don't know if you mention their name. Everybody they don't allege say they rape somebody you get. So all this is now what make the EPL hierarchy they say make una go do this training. Mandatory, it's must. Go do and understand when no means no. You get forget all the money you have. So when no means no, understand that. So that's what it is. Well, I just pray them do all those things so that they'll come out victorious. Omar King said don't come outside when they analyze the new season. So but back on the talk say this season when it's like this now. Say Manchester United is going to end up ahead of Arsenal, and the reason we make I talk this in that because of the factor, will be the X factor of Erik ten Hag. So this is a manager that knows how to arrange players, know how to make players become something out of nothing. He did it in Ajax, using unnamed players, unknown players, and made them something. You get say he can do the same thing for Manchester United. Say he knows say many people they write off Man U, but Man U is going to finish above Arsenal. Man U when they talk about, I don't know, this bros, forget you are a pundit, you're not supposed to be biased, you get, they carry something they cover your eye, you know they see the problems with Man U get. Man U they say, they never even sign striker, Cristiano Ronaldo wants to go, but the match they play against Rayo Vallecano for pre-season, Ronaldo has a substitute and Ronaldo come up for the field of play, you never always make the match in the vex, not just Ronaldo and some team players. How many people don't buy self to fix the gap on get? How many? Now buy Malasia, now buy Ericsson, who again now? I think they buy Lisandro Martinez. That's all. And you just feel because of this thing so you buy now can't leapfrog Arsenal. Why you be saying only Arsenal need for your mouth? Why you don't call Chelsea. Why no cut Tottenham Hotspur? I don't know. Like say during him playing this, like Arsenal do this man dirty, like they do a bad thing. I know you don't understand. So. On my way from that, even Darren Bet will be one of Arsenal lovers. Come outside, come let us know. Say Arsenal will finish ahead of Tottenham Hotspur. Even though this man said play for Tottenham Hotspur for him playing days, but an Arsenal fan in be. So you got to say for this season when they see like this, with the kind of strength in Arsenal. See, Arsenal don't strengthen now. See, nobody will come outside and say Arsenal never buy, Arsenal no buy well, or say they don't strengthen well. So Arsenal did very, very good business, and they did early business. Made sure the players bonded well in pre-season, and now for this upcoming season, we will start today. Arsenal is going to be a banger, and they are going to finish ahead of Spurs. Saying they see this one coming. So for the match they go play today for the EPL opener, Crystal Palace versus Arsenal. So welcome to the 2022-2023 EPL opener between Crystal Palace and Arsenal at Selhurst Park. Oh yeah, I'm gonna run check their head-to-head. For the last 5 games for Selhurst Park, Arsenal lose 1, win 2, and draw 2. Last season we chopped 3-0 for here. Palace get good home record as they lose just 4 times for here last season. But with the firepower of Gabriel Jesus and other members of the Arsenal team, our Palace no go stand the chance. Although they get Zaha, will be one man riot shot. So we guys be very, very careful. My dear football lovers, you see this match today, and they see nothing less than 4-0 or 4-1 from Arsenal. Like, we can't let all this Crystal Palace, all this kind of Burnley, Newcastle, all this kind of teams, guys let them know say we don't be our mates. No be last season because we didn't have a prolific striker up front there. You can't be like say una get man so where we did. This season where they start today, they go collect they might start, yeah. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen, go see the thumbnail, click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.